Here's a convertible to check out, a unique specialty in classics. Nice looking import, 2000 BMW Z3 convertible or roadster. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 80,000 on this one is all. Impala brown exterior, cool looking color. You don't see a lot of them like this out there. And as you can see, it does have the mounting holes for the front license plate bracket. Want to point those out. There's a few blemishes in the paint on this one. It's one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun, put the top down, enjoy your summer. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct BMW wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. And you can see it's not like the paint's full of a bunch of major nicks, dings, or scratches. I'm going to point out a few that I do notice, a few scuffs here and there, maybe a little bit of touch up as we walk around the car, but nothing major here on this passenger side. Neutral matching interior, nice looking color combination. Automatic transmission. Now underneath the hood we do have a 2.5 liter inline 6-cylinder dual overhead cam. Windscreen here also, I left that on for the pictures, and easily can take it off with Velcro straps, but it looks good on there, serves its purpose, so went ahead and left it on there. There's pictures with the top up in the still pictures, and we're also going to fold the top up so you can kind of see how that works. We'll check out the condition of it. You can see kind of roll top boot there in place, works well. Gives you a good idea how the passenger side works. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, you see 2.3 back here. That is kind of the submodel, if you will. I guess the BMW experts could put a little blurb down below in the comment section below this video on YouTube. This would be 2.5 liter inline 6 Z3 Roadster, and that 2.3, I believe, is going to submodel because then you'd have your M series and that. Anyway, fill us in, BMW experts. There's a few spots where you can kind of see a scuff back here, maybe a touch up, but you really got to look pretty close to see it. I wanted to point that out. That was one spot. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. I believe there was, and again, they're tough to find. There was a couple spots touched up in front of that wheel well. But again, it's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. If you like imports, maybe you like convertibles, classic muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see a video of on our website or come through YouTube here. So go ahead and subscribe at uniqueclassiccars.com. These vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are done on them. You can see that on our website and or our showroom floor. Better yet, if you can come see us in person. A little bit of wear on the bolster there. Nothing crazy as far as rips, tears, holes. I did notice there is a key fob that comes with this car that does work as far as the unlock and lock of the doors. And again, automatic with overdrive paired up with that inline 6. All right, let's see what we got here. So there's your exact miles, 80,805, and again, confirmed in the Carfax, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. You can also see there's no service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. We do have an Alpine aftermarket stereo system that is installed. AC. We also have, here's the heated seats. It's a nicely equipped 2000 model here. nice shape. Sounds good too. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood open for you. So let me pause it real quick. We're going to check out the engine bay. I'll also show you how the top folds up, and we'll check out the condition of that. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride if you will. So hang on a second. All right, hood open. Take a look. You can see the hood liner there. Sorry, it's a little dark just the way the lighting is. Very clean hood liner. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather, which doesn't surprise me. There it is. Again, dual overhead cam, inline, 6-cylinder. By the way, the AC blows cold in this thing. When I mean cold, I mean you're not going to have problems staying cool. It's cold. Good looking engine bay. And again, clean Carfax. I notice it has the little VIN tags on the different body panels. You can see there haven't been sockets on those bolts, which is a sign that it's had body work to it. Nothing on this one. Nice and clean. Slip around over here to this side, same thing. That VIN tag there. No sockets on the body panels. If they're taking off panels, fixing panels, they got to put sockets on there, obviously, to take it apart. Hoods will come off too, and you'll notice them on those. Nothing here. Let's see down there. Be a fun little roadster. All right, I'm going to pause it one last time. I want to show you this top, at least folding up and down, and how that works. And as you could see, power top works nicely. Got it latched up above the windshield here. So you can see, nice tight fit. Also rolled up the side glass, so power windows working on the side glass. Around to the rear. Looks like if you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, it's gonna work just fine. But let's be realistic. How many times would you drive it with the top up on little roadster like this? All right. Tell you what, one last thing. I'm going to show you the top going back down, so you know the power top works both directions. Stick around to the very end. We're taking this car for a drive too. (2000) BMW Z3 clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 80,000. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2000 BMW Z3. This car is a convertible. It is an automatic on the center console. In a different color that actually is nice. Like kind of a brown of metallic. Bronze maybe. Root beer maybe. It's a good looking color. Smooth running BMW. Nice little rumble to that exhaust. Excellent handling, as most BMWs do have. And a good road feel. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. We have an Alpine radio. Nice smooth ride. You feel that road just enough. It's a nice nimble little car. Quick handling. Fun to drive. I'm 6'1" and I fit very well in this car. Plenty of room for headroom and knee room. Brakes are working very well. Of course, we do have the top up today, but this would be a great car on a nice summer day to put that top down. Good acceleration, crisp throttle response, a fun to drive car as you might expect from BMW. Learn more about this car and take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.